Hello students, good morning. Hope everyone is well. Now, today we will not going to discuss our doing the exercise. Today I will revise some important topic in C language. Today we will discuss some operators. Okay. Now see. First of all, you have to know the operators. What is actually operators? Operators are nothing. These are actually what? These are actually some symbols. Operators actually key operators are nothing. These are actually are symbols which is used for logical and mathematical manipulation. Okay, so operators is called like a symbol which is basically used to do some logical and mathematical manipulations. So example, mathematical symbols like plus, minus, divide, into, modulus. Okay, logical symbols like greater than, less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to, equal to. So these are called logical symbols. So these symbols are used in the operand, or you can say with the help of this operator we can use with the operand. Operand means what? Variables. For example, if I want to add two numbers, say int a comma b comma c equal to a plus b. So this plus means what? This plus is the operator symbol, plus mathematical symbol. So this plus will give the addition of two numbers. So in this way we can manipulate two or more numbers. Okay, so this is called actually operators. Now today we will discuss a very important operators called logical operator. Logical operator. So logical operator means what? Logical, not physical, logical. Okay. Now there are three types of logical operator. First one is AND operator. Second one is OR operator. And third one is NOT operator. Okay. Now see, AND or NOT keys. These are three logical operators available in C language. First one we discussed the OR operator. OR operator. OR operator, and the symbol is this one. Okay. Now OR operator means what? Here in logical operator, one more thing, the output, whatever the output will be produced by this logical operator, the output will be in true or false value. Means it gives either true or either false value. True means 1 and false means 0. Okay. Now see, OR operator means what? In your book you can see the OR operator performs the Boolean operation OR. It is a binary operator. It requires minimum two operands. The OR operator performs the Boolean operation OR. It performs the Boolean operation. So what is the Boolean operation? Boolean operation means what? What is the meaning of Boolean? Boolean means either true or false. there are only two values will be provided by the Boolean operations, true or false. Okay, it is means what? It performs the Boolean operation, or it is a binary operator. Why it is called as a binary operator? It is called binary operator because it requires minimum two operands. It requires minimum two operand. Operand means variables. Okay, it requires minimum two operands for calculations. Okay, so that's why it is called binary. And you know that binary means two. Binary base is 2, 0 and 1. Okay, that's why it is called binary operator. Next is, this operation result in true either if one of the two operand is true. Means what? This OR operator gives true if either one expression is true. This operator gives the result true if either one expression or you can say condition is true. Either one condition is true, then the answer will be true. Okay, so this will be provided a truth table. So this is the truth table. So here you can see there is a truth table in the right side. There is a truth table and a truth table of logical OR operator. So what is actually truth table? Truth table means what? A truth table is a mathematical table used in logic, specifically in connection with Boolean algebra. Okay. A truth table shows how the truth or facility of a compound statement depend on the truth facility of the simple statement from which it is constructed. These tools generate the truth value for positional logical formula. There are a lot of definitions available in the internet. This truth table actually gives the truth value. This truth table actually shows the truth value, either it is a true or false. Okay, it is actually used in Boolean algebra or Boolean operations. Okay, here you can see there is a truth table. This truth table will have two variables, A and B, and last one is the result, A or B. Okay, there are two variables. So that's why it will give four possibilities. Okay. So 2 to the power n is the formula in for creating truth table. 2 to the power n means what? N means number of variables. Number of variables. And 2 means what? It is a binary. So it requires 2. So that's why it is 2. N is number of variables. Here you can see number of variables is how much? A and B, two variables. That's why 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Means there are 4 possibilities in this truth table. First we will discuss the best possibilities. If A is true and B is false, so the answer will be what? Answer will be true. If there is one expression is true, the answer will be true. If either one expression is true, the answer will be true. Next, maybe the possibility is if A is false, B is true. Definitely true. A false, B true. True. Next example, possibility if A is true, B is true, the answer also true. only one condition, the output will be false if both the expression are false. A false, B false. So the result will be false. There will be only one condition, the output will be false if both the conditions are false. Otherwise, it will be true. So this is called the truth table of OR. Okay, now come to the AND operator. Number 2 operator is AND operator. Symbol is this one. Okay. Now the AND operator perform the Boolean expressions or Boolean operation. It is also use the Boolean operation. Means either true or false. Okay. Now it is also a binary operator because it requires minimum 2 operands. It is also a what? Binary operator. Because it requires minimum 2 variables. It requires minimum 2 variables. Okay. Now these operations result true if both the operands are true. Now see, AND operators provide or AND operators result true. It gives result true. It gives result true if both the expression or condition is true. Okay? If both the expression or condition is true, then it will give the answer true. But in OR operator, what happens? If either one expression is true, the answer will be true. Now you can see it will be explained with the help of a truth table. Now this is a truth table. There are 2 variables A, B and B. So there are 2 variables means what? 2 to the power 2 means 4 possibilities. Means this truth table and 4 possibilities 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. First possibility is if A is true, B is false. The answer will be false. Both the expressions should be true, then it will be true. Okay. Next one is A is false, B is true, false. Next examples, A is false, B also false, definitely false. Next example, the next possibility is if A is true and B is true, then the answer will be true. Means here only one possibility that the answer will be true, that both the expressions or both the variables conditions is true. A true, B true, then answer will be true. Okay, but if A is true and B is false, then answer will be false. So this is called the AND operator in C. Okay. Now see, next I will discuss is the NOT operator. Last logical operator, number 3, NOT operator. And symbol is this one. Okay, the NOT operator performs the NOT Boolean operations. It also use NOT Boolean operation. Okay, now it is a unary operator. It is a unary operator. Unary means what? Unary means only one operand or one variable required. One variable required. Okay, now see, here only one variable is required for getting the output. Okay, now see, it has only one operand and its right hand side. Right hand side, the operand is here. This is the right hand side. Okay. It gives the result false if this operand is true, and it gives the true if operand is false. Means what? it reverses the original decision. It will reverse the original decision. Means what? You will get this explanation with the help of a truth table. So this is a truth table. This is only one operand. So 2 to the power 1 means what? 2. So there are 2 possibilities only. So this is A and this is not A. Okay. Now see, if A is true, the answer will be false. If A is false, the answer will be true. Means it will reverse the original condition or original decisions. The original decision is what? Condition is what? 1 means true, but the answer will be false. Original expression of A is false originally, but the answer will be true. So this is the not operator, which is basically used for reverse the original decisions. So these are the 3 logical operators used in C language. Okay. So I think you understand today's topic, what is logical operator and what are the 3 logical operators used in C language. Okay. I'm just revise these things. Actually, these things, this portion is already completed, but I think that it is also important in your examination. So that's why I am again revise this topic, logical operators. Okay. So next time again I revise another important topic. So thank you everybody for watching this video. If you have any problem after watching this video, please join our doubt clearing sessions. Okay. So I think you understand. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Again I say, stay at home and be safe. Thank you everybody. Have a great day. Thank you.